Haven't gotten a chance to go to the water because it has been raining so much. So I'm gonna go down and see what I get. The water level is so high, there is nowhere to fish from. Almost nowhere to fish from. Okay, let's see what's up. I think I'm gonna go over there instead. Okay, I will go down here and see what my options are. I'm gonna try to catch a carp today. Wish me good luck. See if I could display the time for you guys. Time and date. Alright. Cast this bad boy in there. See what happened. Got away. I got some. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there's a catfish. Easy, easy. Get you out. Oh, that's a good sized one there. It's a good sized one, isn't it? Man, that rain is about to come down.